In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Google Ads in 2025. This is going to be a comprehensive guide that will help you enhance your advertising strategies and ultimately get more value from your campaigns. So let's dive right in and get started. First, to begin optimizing your Google Ads, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, look for the familiar sign in button. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your account details. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home screen. This is where everything begins. It's the central hub that will lead you through managing and optimizing your campaigns. Now let's move on to the Tools section. This is located at the top of your Google Ads interface. Clicking on Tools opens up a variety of resources at your disposal, but for optimization purposes we are interested in one particular section, Planning. This is where we'll be spending a good chunk of time. After selecting Planning, you'll notice various options available to enhance your advertising strategy. The next thing you want to do is click on Keyword Planner. Now, this is a very powerful tool. It allows you to dive deep into discovering relevant keywords that can significantly impact your campaign's effectiveness. Once you have the keyword planner in front of you, the next step is to use it to identify high intent keywords. High intent keywords are search terms that potential customers use when they are ready to purchase. Identifying these can substantially increase your chances of conversion, making your ads more profitable and cost effective. Spend some time researching and selecting these keywords carefully, as they are crucial to the success of your advertising efforts. The Keyword Planner will also help you understand search volumes and trends, which empowers you to make informed decisions on which keywords to target. Leverage the insights provided by the tool to refine and focus your ad strategy, ensuring you're hitting the right audience. In conclusion, the process of optimizing your Google Ads involves navigating to the Google Ads home, utilizing the Tools section, actively engaging with the planning area, and making the most of the Keyword Planner to find those lucrative high-intent keywords. This approach is designed to maximize your advertising potential and bring a noticeable improvement in your results. Remember, the key to success in digital advertising is not just reaching people, but reaching the right people. So take your time with the Keyword Planner and optimize your keywords wisely. I hope you found this guide helpful. Take these insights and start applying them to your campaigns. Happy optimizing!